All right, so today I'm going to be making DEI Rice. DEI Rice, which stands for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion for those of you that are unaware. And if you're unaware, the world, at least the Western world, is moving towards a more diverse, equitable, and inclusive future. So what we want to do is ensure that our food reflects that as well. So today I'll be showing you how to make DEI rice so that we can create this more diverse, equitable, and inclusive world in food as well. So I've got white rice, I've got black rice, and I've got brown rice. And what we want to do, take each one of these rices and combine them together. So we have white rice. We want to take about 1/3 of a cup of white rice. There's 1/3, and we want to add it to this mason jar. Then we want to take 1/3 of a cup of brown rice. Add that to the mason jar. And lastly, we want to take some black rice, 1/3 of a cup of black rice. Add that to the jar. Now, what we want to do is take the jar containing black rice, white rice, and brown rice and give it a nice shake to mix it all together. And there you go. There is my DEI rice. Diverse, equitable, and inclusive rice. All right, so now we're going to add 2 cups of vegetable broth. That gives it some great flavor to the rice. We're going to add about 1 tablespoon of butter, some salt, a little bit of garlic powder. Mix it up a little bit. All right, so the rice is now boiling. We want to add our cup of DEI rice. Give it a bit of a mix. And we want to cook this for about 40 minutes. Let's also add a nice bay leaf on top. Bay leaf. Cook it on low for about 40 minutes. All right, 40 minutes is up. Let's take a look at our rice. Wow, look at that. Look at the color on that rice. Beautiful. DEI rice. Black rice, white rice, and brown rice. Gave it a nice purple color. Now let's add our rice to a bowl. DEI rice.